This 2025 Alliance RV Avenue, all-access 30BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncan, South Carolina, 29334 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Spartanburg. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.